Welcome to Sollymoms. This video will guide you step by step on how to charge, clean, assemble, and use your Sollymoms Wearable Breast Pump for safe and comfortable pumping. Before the first use, fully charge your pump. The motor is USB-C rechargeable, and the indicator light turns on once the cable is connected. Use a 5-volt, 1 to 2 amp power adapter until the battery icon shows 3 solid bars. Before using your pump, all parts that come in contact with breast milk must be thoroughly washed. Begin by separating the motor from the collection cup. Next, remove the silicone flange, followed by opening the collection cup into its 2 halves. Remove the silicone valve, the air chamber, and finally, the silicone diaphragm. These are the components that require cleaning and sterilization before use. Fill a container with warm, soapy water. Please note that the motor should never be submerged or washed. Add the remaining components to the warm, soapy solution for cleaning, ensuring each part is fully submerged. You can also wash these parts under running water if you prefer. Always scrub each part gently to remove any milk residue. Proper cleaning helps prevent milk odor, bacteria buildup, and changes in suction performance. Pay special attention to the diaphragm and valve, as even small traces of milk can affect suction. Rinse all parts in clean water to remove any soap. This step ensures safe and hygienic use for you and your baby. Please let all parts air dry completely before reassembly, especially the silicone diaphragm and valve. If these parts are still wet or even slightly damp, it can reduce suction, which may cause the pump to not function properly. For an additional layer of hygiene, you can also sterilize the washed parts using a steam sterilizer and dryer. A sterilizer helps eliminate bacteria and is a convenient option for parents who prefer a faster and more hands-free method of sanitizing pump parts. Please note that sterilizing does not replace cleaning. It does not remove milk residue or dirt, and parts must be thoroughly washed first to avoid odor or buildup. Add clean water to the sterilizer, place the washed parts inside, and run the sterilizing and drying cycle. The unit will complete a steam cycle followed by a hot air drying process, so the parts come out fully dry and ready to assemble. Begin by placing the diaphragm into the front half of the milk collection cup. Ensure the protruding side of the diaphragm faces downward. Now, position the air chamber over the diaphragm and press it firmly until it sits evenly in place. This helps hold the diaphragm securely and maintains an airtight seal during pumping. Now attach the valve onto the rectangular slot, making sure the valve is pushed in completely and sits flat. Incorrect valve placement can cause air leaks and drastically reduce suction, so take a moment to double-check this step. Before attaching the flange, please refer to our nipple size guide to find the correct flange size for your nipple, which will help pumping comfortably and improve suction. After selecting the correct flange, locate the size marking on the top edge of the flange and align this marking with the alignment marker at the back of the milk collection cup. This ensures the flange sits in the proper position for optimal performance. Rotate slightly until both markers line up and press gently to secure it in place. Once all components are in place, join the front and back halves of the milk collection cup. Press firmly along the edges to create a tight and leak-proof seal. Finally, attach the motor onto the top of the cup. Your Sollymoms pump is now fully assembled and ready to use. To use the pump, place it inside your bra and position your nipple at the center of the flange. Press the power button to begin. Start with stimulation mode to trigger letdown. Then switch to expression or depth mode based on your comfort. The pump offers 3 modes and 12 levels. The slim profile allows the pump to sit discreetly and invisibly under your clothing, so you can move comfortably while pumping. Gently remove the breast pump after you finish your pumping session. Proceed to detach the motor and pour the milk into a feeding bottle or milk storage bag. The built-in spout ensures easy and controlled pouring of milk without any spills. We hope this guide helps you enjoy a comfortable and confident pumping experience every day, and thank you for trusting Sollymoms.